We are just going to jump right into this one. So, some of my buttercream jars have literally disintegrated, and this video just showcases my fix. This is one of my buttercream jars. The lid has cracking that's visible on the front and the interior. This lid is going to eventually disintegrate. The plastic these jars are made from don't do well when you tightly close them, and they just break down. And as you can see, there's cracking around the neck of the jar as well. So we're going to swap the jar. I use a flat spatula to pop out the interior product jar, and we are just going to set that aside. Young Nails sells these jars 4 in a pack that are the exact same size. And we're going to actually pop that buttercream product jar into that jar. We aren't going to push it down though. We're going to take the lid of the jar and just screw it on, and it will push it down perfectly and flush for us. And in the event that you may want to use the jar in the future, all you have to do is just take that same flat spatula and pop it right back out. And we are also going to transfer the label over. I like the labels mostly because they're holographic, and I'd like to keep it as opposed to labeling my jars manually. But now I do have a usable plastic jar that isn't going to break. It's the same dimensions, and it will fit with my other buttercreams in my drawer. Light Elegance did try to fix this problem for me by sending me regular size 15 ml jars, but it got really messy really fast, and for me this was a fix that I found worked. And don't forget to transfer the bottom label too. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. Just so you know, Young Nails is having a Labor Day sale, and it's free shipping after $50. I'd take a look-see.